These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn Express off Clark Road in Sarasota, Florida. These look a little different compared to the last time I was here. New lantern. We're gonna go 4. Did they cover the indicator? I think they did. Actually, no, the indicator's right here. They covered it. Wow. This is so strange. Here we are at 4. You can hear the other elevator going down. So it is new chimes. I'm guessing the indicator doesn't work anymore since they covered it. The other elevator also has new chimes. The buttons are the same. And the cab, I think, is the same. Interesting. These elevators aren't even that old. I think it's installed like early to mid 2000s. Well, we're gonna ride the other elevator. Which just went up, so we're gonna cut to when we get it. Also, kind of weird that the elevator floor passing chimes, you can hear them out here. Gee, I just realized this call button is not so good. I feel like it didn't even take my call at first. You really have to press it. But we're gonna cut to when we get this one. This one's coming down, that one's going up. Really weird how you can hear the chimes from out here. This is elevator number 2, by the way. This one does have an indicator that works, but no more voice. I made a video a while ago about these elevators, the voices being a little confused. But now they silence them. Alright, here we are at 4. We're going to go down to 1. Here's your cab view. This one doesn't have a permit. It says view it in the executive office, wherever that is. That'll be it.